Good afternoon. Today I'm here in Wuhan at the Yangtze Riverside Park, and what I wanted to do today was take a look at some of the statues and artwork here in the park. Some of it is it's really cool. It's got a Silk Road, commerce-y kind of nature to it, and I think you'll enjoy it. I use the term Silk Road, and I'm using it loosely. Officially, the ancient Silk Road was established by the Han Dynasty in 130 BCE and ran until 1453 CE in the Common Era, and that was the start of what's known as the Age of Exploration, where the European powers started, basically exploring by ship rather than overland. Wow, I just checked that selfie panorama, and wow, that looks very strange, very unnatural. But I'm going to keep it in and continue. But the official Han Dynasty Silk Road isn't the way most people use it. Most people think of it as in a broader sense, and it went on for many years and centuries after 1453. It had different routes. You know, the original route might have gone as far as Xi'an in Shanxi province, but in more of a looser term, it went down to the Yangtze River out through Shanghai. I'll just shut up now and walk through the statues. Steady there, Rudolph. out of the east on the ancient Silk Road was, of course, silk, tea, porcelain, spices, and I'm including beyond China in that, going through Asia, precious metals, and oddly, these traders what the hell? Say cheese! Chiedza! They look so real. One of these is not like the other. And with that, I'm going to end this video. It wouldn't feel right without showing you some commerce going on the Yangtze right now. I really want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you have a comment, please drop one below. Press the like button, please. And share this video. Sharing is caring, you know. Finally, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. All right, thanks. Catch you later. Gotta get a slow boat now. I got my ticket. I don't know where I'm going. See ya.